of the prompts that are included and how they actually work using ChatGPT. So I'm going to come over to here, and in my ChatGPT, we're going to do a new chat. And all we have to do, we're going to start with prompt 1, beginning of semester parent letter. And we just take this prompt, act as an experienced private, and then we'll put in an instrument. I'll use piano for this one. So we're basically just going to copy, paste, and then take out the brackets and include the information. So act as an experienced private piano teacher, writing to the parents and families in my studio. Write a warm professional email to send at the beginning of the, so I'll put summer. Don't need the brackets anymore. Include the following. So since this is summer, I'm going to say, actually I'm going to change this to fall for now, because that's probably what you're going to use it for first. A welcome back message and excitement for the upcoming semester. Important dates. So I'll put start date is September 8th. No lessons, excuse me, on Columbus Day or Indigenous Peoples Day. Makeups on the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, because I don't know those dates offhand. No lessons Thanksgiving Thursday through Sunday. We'll just keep it at that. Okay, a friendly reminder about key studio policies. So one would be makeups will only be given if the student gives me 24 hours notice, and only one makeup will be offered for student cancellations per semester. No shows will not be made up. Just add that. You can add anything else you want. Encouragement about what students will be working towards. A closing that invites parents to reach out with questions. Tone, warm, confident, and professional, not stiff or corporate. This should sound like a real teacher who cares about the students, not a form letter. Now, if you want the tone to be different, feel free to change any of this. Length, keep it concise. Parents should be able to read this in under 2 minutes. And we press go. Okay, now it's going to generate, you'll see up here, there's a open an email, and then there's a copy. I don't touch any of that until I've read it. Welcome to the fall semester, dear studio families. Welcome back. I'm excited to begin another semester of music making with your children. Fall is always a wonderful time to settle into new routines, build strong practice habits, set meaningful musical goals. Our fall semester begins on Monday, September 8th. Please note the important dates, and this lists what we put in the prompt. A friendly reminder about studio makeup policy. So this just put in what we prompted it to. You can change it. This semester, students will be working on building strong technique, musical confidence, consistent practice habits, and expressive playing. Now, it input that because I didn't give it any specifics, but you can give it specifics. Thank you for being part of the studio community. Okay, now, yes, it is helpful. Get rid of it though. Okay, now if you want to take it as is, you can just copy the response and go over to your email and send it. You can also connect your ChatGPT to your Gmail, and it will put it in your drafts for you. Claude does the same thing. All right, so that is the first one. Let's try the second one. The difficult parent response. Ooh, we know that one. Okay. We're going to take this. There's some great teacher tips there. Okay, so I'm just going to put here letter number 2. Act as an experienced, let's say, trumpet teacher and studio owner. A parent has contacted me with the following situation. All right. So, student cannot attend for 3 weeks in a row, and parent expects makeups. My studio policy states, now I'm going to go up to here. Wherever it was. Makeups, there. Okay. Write a response that acknowledges the parent's message warmly, thanks them for reaching out, clearly and firmly upholds my policy without being confrontational, uses professional, empathetic language, not cold or legalistic, does not apologize for the policy or offer exceptions, leaves the door open for a positive future relationship, and is concise. No more than 3 or 4 short paragraphs. So for me, I would say 2 short paragraph, 2 to 3 maybe. Okay, that's just my preference. Now I have this set to thinking. You can set it to extended, etc., and it's just basically how much work the AI is going to put into your response. Regarding upcoming lesson absences. Hi, put the parent name in, let me know about, and then you would just add the student's name in as a reminder. Studio policy allows only 1 makeup, blah, blah, blah. Thank you for understanding. Okay, now if that's okay, then that is all done. In my own studio, I would also attach a copy of the studio policy that the parent had already signed, just to remind them. Now, if they are a student that's really in excellent standing, then I might make an exception, especially if this is something very unusual to them. So I might have ChatGPT go back and reframe it. I would just take the same prompt and I would add something in like, you know, for this time I will offer 1 makeup, that sort of thing.